Is the earpiece speaker not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max and you can't hear anything unless you put it on speaker mode? Let's try these easy steps to fix your iPhone's ear speaker. First of all, you need to make sure that the call audio volume is not low. So while you're on a call, simply increase the volume by pressing the volume up button, and now you should be able to hear the other side. If you still can't hear anything, then make sure your iPhone is not connected to any Bluetooth audio device. You can simply open the control center and turn off Bluetooth, and now this should route the call audio through the ear speaker and you won't have any issues. Still having trouble hearing through the ear speaker? Then, in case you're using a screen protector, make sure it's not blocking it. For example, you can take a look at this third-party screen protector, which is blocking the earpiece. So remove the screen protector if needed. The next thing you'll check is whether the ear speaker is blocked by dirt and debris. Just give it a proper clean, ideally using some isopropyl alcohol, and after that, you'll hear loud and clear through the earpiece speaker. If you're still not hearing anything, then this may be a software issue. And to fix any software glitches, you can simply force restart your iPhone 17. To do this, press the volume up button, then quickly the volume down, and right after that, hold down the side button until the screen turns off and the Apple logo comes up. If the problem persists, then let's check some settings. So open the Settings app, and first of all, make sure you're running on the latest iOS, just in case there's a bug with the earpiece speaker. And after that, go back, go to Accessibility, scroll down to Audio and Visual, and here, if voice isolation is enabled, try turning it off, then scroll down to the bottom, open Call Audio Routing, and make sure it's set to Automatic. Still no luck? Then let's check if it plays any music outside of calls. To do that, you can simply record a voice memo and play it back, and check whether the sound is coming from both the bottom speaker and the earpiece speaker. If you don't hear it, then this may be a hardware problem, but before getting into that conclusion, you can also try resetting all settings of your iPhone by opening Settings, going to General, then transfer Reset iPhone, Reset, and reset all settings. But note that even though this will not reset any data, you'll lose infos like passwords and Wi-Fi connections. So make sure you have them saved. If that didn't work, then you can check whether there is any hardware damage by booting up your iPhone in Diagnostics and Repair mode. First, shut down your iPhone, then while it's off, hold both the volume buttons and plug the charging cable while holding them. Keep holding and let go when you see the logo. After you see this screen, you can disconnect the charger, then tap on Continue, connect your Wi-Fi, tap on Agree, run Diagnostics, and here, select Audio for Self-Service Repair. You can see here, it will play audio from both the bottom and the upper speaker, and the audio receiver or the top speaker. So tap on Start Diagnostics, go through the bottom speaker test, then check the upper earpiece. If you can hear audio, then great. After that, you can skip the microphone test. If you could hear audio, then great. Your iPhone doesn't have any hardware damage. Unfortunately, if you couldn't, then it's probably a hardware damage, then you'll need to get your iPhone repaired. Or you can also contact Apple support via the Apple support app on your iPhone. Hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.